Okay, let's continue with this orientation. So let me switch back actually to student view. Okay, so we talked about the syllabus. Let's go on. The next idea we have here is class notes. So the way class notes work is all my lectures are done on OneNote, and these are saved to a web location. And there's a link to this. You can click this link and you can review these lecture notes, and this should pop up. And actually, it's these lecture notes occur in real time. Let me pull this program up here and see if I can demonstrate that. I'll have to. So as I write things, that this should update in real time. I guess it's not actually doing it in real time. Now, if your internet is fast enough, I think it might do it in real time. But here I have to update. I wrote test as a test here, and I wrote it with my mouse, so it really looks sloppy. But it actually looks kind of sloppy when I use the writing pad too. So, anyways, I'll write my lecture notes here as if it's a blackboard, and it will be saved over time. So we'll have a chapter 1.1, chapter 1.2, chapter 1.3 in these pages, and then for the next section I'll have chapter 2, so on and so forth. So it works just like OneNote normally works, and this is saved to the cloud. So the thing about this is these notes are only linked for 2 weeks, and sometimes I forget to refresh the link. And if you notice it and you need to access the link, send me an email and I'll update it. Okay, back to modules. So we have so that was class notes. We'll shut that down. Now let's look at class videos. I have a page here for orientation videos. I'll have one for each of the chapters. So I redid the part 1 orientation. I'm actually redoing right now part 2 orientation, and I'll pull this out. And I'm gonna send you all an email to let you know. But you just click on these to start the YouTube videos, and you can do anything you can normally do with a YouTube video. You can have it go to the watch later. You can share it. You can if we turn this YouTube video on, you'll see that it works. I'm going to mute it. It works just like regular things. You can go to settings, quality. Sometimes there's closed captioning. I don't know if it's here. I'll have to check. Maybe I have to set it as a setting. So that's our videos. Right now, we have an orientation section, but I'll have a section for each chapter, and it'll be organized like that. Class practice problems. I don't have anything set up here yet, but I'll have suggestions for you to run. I guess I can't close that now that I opened it like that. Class, put it back into student view. So we can shut these down properly. Class practice problems. Don't have anything set up, as you can see, but I'll have one set up for every chapter. A layout of what I suggest you do as practice problems. Again, these won't be graded. You'll have to self-grade these on your own, by looking over things. And finally, assignments. And I don't have any assignments set up here, but our first assignment will be a practice test on chapter 1. And when that's usually I'll after we finish the sections, I'll post that in Canvas. And again, all assignments will be posted in this one spot here under this class assignments, all graded assignments. And then you guys will complete it, and then I'll post the answer key, and you can grade your test, and then submit it to me online versus the online system here. sometimes there's mistakes in the answer key. So trust your work. If you do something correctly in the answer key, there's a mistake. And sometimes I do that on purpose, just to see if everybody is being honest with what they're doing. But that's essentially the class. Another menu item over here, I guess, is you can click grades and you can watch in real time what your grades are. There's nothing going on here. BrainFuse tutoring, again, is I can't click this, but you can access this site. It's the college pays for this, but they only give you a limited number of times you can do this, and so you'll have to interact with that to see what that is. But you can sometimes get answers to questions if there's no other resource available for you to get answers. Maybe it's a weekend or maybe it's late at night. So that's a class, and I think that's about all I have to say here.